Hey guys, welcome back to groovyPost. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to edit properties in Microsoft Word for the document. So here I have my document open. I'm assuming you have yours as well. What you want to do is you want to go to File, then you want to go to Info. Then here we get a lot of things. We can protect the document by using a password. There's many ways you can do that. You can also come to the Properties section. Now here, it gives you a lot of information. Mainly on related dates and related people, we can see who's the author of this document. Now, if someone sends you a document, you can see who set it up for you. You can also see last modified. Because this is not a saved document, you don't see that I have modified it. You also hit show all properties. It'll just show you when it was created, as well as who may be the manager of this document. But what's really interesting is you can come here to this properties and click on this and then click Advanced Properties. Now, once you do that, you get a lot of options. We have General, Summary, Statistics, Contents, Custom. Now, when we come over to General, it just gives you basic stuff like the type of file, maybe the location of where this document was made, as well as the size. But on Summary here, you can actually add stuff. So, such as the title of the document. So we can say Tech Ideas. Subject, Computing Software. Author is me. Manager, groovyPost CEO. Company, groovyPost. And here, this is just to help the person who looks at this document to know what is this document about, who is it from, and here you can even put in keywords or comments. Look at the third paragraph, or you can even type in something like, this is for the new video coming up. And then you can even give a hyperlink as well. So then I hit OK. And here it also gives us the manager. As we can see here, we can see the title, Tech Ideas, comments. The person can look at the comment section, subject, Computing Software, Company, groovyPost. So that was just something I quickly added so that way when someone looks at this document, they want to know more about what this is about, who is this from, they can come to File, Info, Show All Properties, and then boom, there you go. And that's it, guys. That's how you can edit the properties of the document in Word. If you guys found this video helpful or you learned something new, please give the video a like and subscribe for more content. If you have any questions, any comments, leave them in the comment section. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next one.